Good morning children. Welcome to Komandu Group of Schools online classes. Today our subject is mathematics. So in 9th class you have 15 chapters. That 15 chapters has been divided into 2 papers. Up to 8th you used to write only 1 paper. Now here you are going to write 2 papers. So that 15 chapters has been divided into 2 divisions. That is, in first paper you are going to have 1, 2, 4, 6, 10 and 15 chapters. Remaining chapters are paper 2. So now the way of questioning also differs. Here you will not be having 8 marks problems. So now here we will go to the subject. So we have 15 chapters. Today our chapter, first chapter, that is real numbers. So, as we know about numbers, everyone knows about numbers. Number is nothing but a mathematical object which we use to measure, count and label. So, we have different type of numbers, real numbers and imaginary numbers. Before going to real numbers, we should recall about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The numbers which used for counting are known as natural numbers. So as we know, for counting we will be starting from 1. So it goes on. So it is endless, that is infinite. So natural numbers are denoted by the letter n. So the least natural number is 1 and largest natural number is infinite. If you take along with the set of natural numbers, if you take a 0, then we call it as whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the letter double. So here we have the set which containing the natural numbers and 0, we call it as whole numbers. So the additive inverse of natural numbers along with the whole numbers are nothing but integers. What are additive inverse? What is additive inverse? If you take the additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. Additive inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. So here the set containing the negative numbers along with whole numbers are nothing but integers. I have written the letter Z. What is this Z? Z is nothing but which is the representation of integers. So Z has been taken from the German word Zahlen, which means numbers. So Z is taken from the German word Zahlen, which means numbers. So now we go for rational numbers. We are concerned about, we have to learn today more about the rational numbers. What are rational numbers? So the word rational, here we have ratio. Ratio is nothing but comparison of 2 quantities by using division. So here the ratio we are telling, so the numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, then we call it as rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. So how the Q came? Ratio. So we are dividing 2 quantities. By dividing 2 quantities, we get a result that is nothing but the quotient. So here the quotient is denoted by Q. So rational numbers are denoted by the letter Q. So in that if you go, here if you see P by Q are integers we are saying. Integers are nothing but the whole numbers and additive inverse of natural numbers, then we can call it as integers. So integers means nothing but whole numbers, integers are nothing but the natural numbers. So here rational numbers are nothing but natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. Then we call it as rational numbers. So and second point is rational numbers are nothing but square root of a number is a whole number. Suppose for example if you take root 4. Root 4, what is the value of root 4? It is a whole number, that is 2. It can be written as 2 by 1. So it is in the form of P by Q. So root 4 is equal to 2 and 2 can be expressed as 2 by 1. Hence it is in the form of P by Q. So we can say that it is a rational number. So second thing is square root of a number is a whole number. Then we can call it as a rational number. And next if you go, for example, if you take 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. In decimal form it is 0.5, and if you see it has a finite number of digits, so it is a terminating decimal. It's a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal can be expressed as, can be said as rational numbers. And for example, if you take 1 by 3, 1 by 3 is nothing but 0.333 and so on. So here the number of digits are repeating in decimal part. So it is recurring. So here we can say that it is a non-terminating recurring decimal. So non-terminating recurring decimal are known as rational numbers. So terminating decimals are rational numbers, non-terminating recurring decimals are rational numbers. And here the first thing is natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers are rational numbers, and square root of a number is a whole number is a rational number, and terminating decimal and non-terminating recurring decimal is nothing but a rational number. So now we go for an example. In order to find rational numbers in between, so find two rational numbers between 2 and 3 by mean method. The word mean is nothing but average. So here we are going to find in between 2 and 3 two rational numbers. So let us assume the given A as 2 and B as 3. So mean method, here we are finding for two numbers. So what is the mean? If you suppose assume that this 2 as A and this 3 as B, then A plus B by 2 is nothing but mean, average. So here by mean method, A plus B by 2, that is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 5 by 2. And this 5 by 2, how we got? By the average of 2 and 3. So that 5 by 2 lies between 2 and 3. So hence we can write like this, that 5 by 2 lies between 2 and 3. This is one rational number. Another rational number, how? The same way. So before finding out, we have to take A as 2 itself. So why I will tell later. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5 by 2. So by mean method, A plus B by 2. 2 plus 5 by 2 by 2. 2 means what? 2 by 1. So here 2 LCM. 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, plus here 2 1s are 2, so 1 into 5, 5 by 2. So 4 plus 5, 9 by 2 by 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Now I will reciprocate it. So 9 by 2 into 2 by 1 can be written as 1 by 2. That is nothing but 9 by 4. So here we got the rational number 9 by 4 in between 2 and 5 by 2. So how to represent now? 2 and what we took the number? 5 by 2. So in between 2 and 5 by 2 what we got? 9 by 4. And what is the other number? 3. So 2 is less than 9 by 4 is less than 5 by 2 less than 3. So we got two rational numbers. What are the two rational numbers? 9 by 4 and 5 by 2. So this is one method, that is by our mean method we found the two rational numbers between 2 and 3. So another simpler method is there to find out two rational numbers in between two numbers. So here we won't use the word, if they won't use the word mean method, we no need to go for this method. So we can go in a simpler form, in a simpler method, that is how many rational numbers they ask here? Two rational numbers. So simply add 1 to this. If you add 1 to this, what happens? 3. So now you take two numbers, 2 and 3. So by adding 1 to this 2, we get 3. So you multiply and divide with 3. Here also the same way, you multiply and divide with 3. So what you will get? 2 3s are 6 by 3 and here 3 3s are 9 by 3. So in between 6 by 3 and 9 by 3, we get two rational numbers, that is 7 by 3 and 8 by 3. In simpler way, for 1 mark, if they ask that we can do it in this method, or if not, they asked for 2 marks also we can do if they had not mentioned mean method. So here another is it. What is that means? Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Insert 2 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So here you will get doubt. These are in fractional form, so how to do? 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. For this, given numbers are 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Let us take LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So now, what you will make means, you have to make these both numbers in as equivalent fractions. So for that, 3 by 5. Here if you observe, the denominator is 5. So you multiply the numerator and denominator with 3. 3 3s are 9 by 5 3s are 15. The same way, 2 by 3, you multiply. Here the denominator is 3 and here we have to make this 3 as 15. So you multiply with 5 and divide with 5. So what you will get? 2 5s are 10 by 15. So now you may get doubt. So how to find in between 9 by 5 and 10 by 15, how to find the two rational numbers? So for that, now we will use the before technique. What is that before technique? So how many they asked here? 2. So you add 1 to it. So if you add 1 to it, what happens? So multiply and divide with 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then what we get? 9 by 15 into 3 by 3. 9 3s are 27 by 15 3s are 45. Another number what it is here? 10 by 15. So 10 by 15 into 3 by 3. 10 3s are 30 by 45. So now you can observe here between 27 by 45 and 30 by 45. We get two rational numbers. What are they? Rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3 are 28 by 45 and 29 by 45. So in this way we can insert how many rational numbers in between any two numbers we can insert. So how many asked, that many we can find it out. Thank you.